Christmas. So excited to be here. I want to get some things at the grocery store. So driving, and this is a Christmas vlog. So let's do this, right? Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so excited because it's Christmas, and especially because Jesus is the reason for the season, right? So I'm so excited, I'm so happy, and I know you are too at your end. Yeah, and also it's winter, it's like winter, so don't mind my jacket. I don't mind my hoodie. Oh yeah, it's Christmas, it's Christmas. I remember one of the songs we sang and the carol, oh come Emmanuel, and ransom of this Israel. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel, come to thee, O Israel. Yeah. That was cool, right? Oh my goodness. Anyways, how is Christmas going at your side? What have you done? I mean, literally, there was a lot of snow yesterday, day before yesterday, and today. And seriously, I know maybe you've heard in the news the snowstorm. I actually wanted to vlog yesterday, but at a point I just couldn't go because everywhere was icy. I mean, you know, when the water mixed with the snow, it became ice. Like, I just told myself I couldn't drive yesterday. But yeah, luckily, so excited. Today, I think it was in the middle of the night, so the rain now actually fell properly. And yeah, luckily, a lot of the snow were washed off. I'll show you in course of the video. But yeah, I'll see you when I get to the mall. Stay cool, stay calm, and enjoy your Christmas. Today's the Christmas Eve, so maybe definitely you'll see the video tomorrow or on Monday, Boxing Day. But yeah, definitely you'll see this video. Stay blessed, enjoy Christmas, and remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. No matter what we are doing, no matter the celebration, let's always give our lives to Jesus. It pays to serve Jesus in all the good capacities and good stuffs, right? Anyways, see ya. Catch ya.
So I got my shopping cart, and here I'm on my way to get my carton of turkey that I normally buy. It used to be $14.99, but because of the inflation and everything, it's got inflated. That's the word. At least the price went up, and it sells now at $24.99. So I'm literally going to the aisle. Maybe I'll see the box of turkey. Just looking around, everywhere seems not so bubbling, but yeah, people were still around to shop, So I got to the freezer, and voila, there's no box of turkey. Oh my word. I was like, wow, what am I gonna do? I checked around, there was none. I almost was like, hey, what am I gonna do now? So I checked, and I've not really tried these big turkeys before, so contemplating on how to do it. I was like, okay, let me just window shop and see what else is in here for me. Is there any other thing I can buy? Yeah. And this is everything. Everywhere is just, yeah, pretty much not so groovy like it's Christmas. So yeah, that was how my trip to Save on Food went, and unfortunately I didn't get what I wanted to get, so I left there. Literally everywhere is just so everywhere is just so empty. I don't know. Christmas deal. I literally wanted to get turkey, and unfortunately this is not available, so we do our Christmas. With that being said, there was no turkey, so I had to leave Save on Food to try another store if I was going to see something better. So I went to TNT supermarket to get some cow tripe, intestine, and all those good stuff. So driving out of Save on Food, passing through Service Central, King George Hub, that's this area, going to Service Central Mall, the big mall at Service Central. We were waiting, we're driving, going, linking to King George Boulevard, and my trip was so much, it was still very wet. Very, very wet. The weather was cold that day actually. So moving on. moving on. Yeah. Funny enough, something happened at this time. So when this bus got to the stoplight, there was a car right beside me and on the other lane to my left, and the car was like just moving as if it was going to hit the bus. And in my mind I'm like, why do people drive like that? You've actually seen the bus, can't you just stop, be patient for once? Sometimes when you drive and you see the way people do on the road, sometimes like, people act as if they have another life inside their house, or maybe inside their pockets, that they can just bring it out when the one they are existing in fails them, right? But that's my trip. So I went down. So from there I actually went to an African store, but unfortunately I didn't get what I wanted to get in the African store, so I came back to TNT. Yeah. was it? So in getting to TNT, one of the first things that caught my attention was this. I don't know if it's turkey, I don't know if it's chicken, but this was amazing. It was a very good sight to behold, and I literally couldn't stop myself from filming. I mean, that was like the height of the day for me. For the shopping I did, it was amazing. And after I did the shopping, I got a couple of things. And yeah, everyone was just TNT was more like had more people compared to second food that I went earlier on. A lot of Chinese, a lot of Asians in general. Everyone was just boom, 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 boom. And this was TNT is actually right in the middle of the big mall in the Soviet Central. So it's a bustling mall, and everywhere was just up and down, up and down. So I just let me use that opportunity to check my favorite clothing store. This is a paid advertisement anyway, but I just love going to this mall. And I checked around, I saw that balloon 2023 already. I said, oh wow, people are already existing in 2023. So yeah, everywhere was just so good. Going up to my favorite clothing store. The reason I like these stores because at least there's sometimes that you look for corporate wears for ladies, and you see this joy deco caught my attention. Wow, that's lovely. The joy of the names are strange, right? So this is me entering my favorite store at Susie Shein. This store is literally amazing. I know sometimes a lot of my friends say, it's costly, but of course, you know, in Africa where I came from, a good soap, it is money that will do it. If you want to cook a better soup, you have to have money for it. So if you want to wear good clothing, decent, modest clothes, you can actually check out Susie Shein. It's amazing. This blaze actually caught my attention, but for me, for that, because I know they will still do sales, right? And so it's going to go lower. So I said, no, at this time. And literally, I don't really want white blazer at that time. So I left there, I went back downstairs, going back to the mall. And this is what I came to buy. So, window shopping is over. Let's do this. So, to me, getting back. I'm just going back into my car, trying to see if I can get to another mall. So it's still raining. This is how my Christmas is like. Today is Christmas Eve, right? And it's still raining. Yes. So one thing about parking in the mall sometimes, is actually not knowing where you parked your car. I mean, I don't know if any of you has felt this before. Like, you don't know where you parked your car. Oh, shh. This is amazing. So this is me driving back home, and yeah, I just got a couple of things. I went back the other day to check the turkey, and when I got home, I made this puff puff mix before I actually went to the mall, and this is me scooping a puff puff in the pan, and yeah. This is absolutely amazing and gorgeous for me. Wow, this puff puff was so delicious. So delicious. If you would like to know how I mix this puff puff, leave a comment in the comment section below. Give this video a like. Give this video a like, thumbs up. Put your comment down below. I love this puff puff. I don't really take puff puff like every time, but anytime I sit down to make puff puff, I always put my mind to it because I want it to be top notch. So that was how I made puff puff. And in the weather, you know, this time for something hot, right? So I did my puff puff. Those two black things that you're saying there, that's onions. Anytime I want to fry my puff puff, I put just a peel of onion. I learned that from my mom. If you want to fry anything, you want to do deep fry for anything, just put onion.